TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow down 647, Nasdaq's off 212. You get the S&P's down 85. A nasty day out here, folks. You got limit down. You had limit down in the Nasdaq 100 as well as the S&Ps. We have gold up $6 at 11.65. You have silver down 43 at 14.87. The bond market, folks, is going after its highs. You have the 10-year up 22 ticks, 129.12. 30-year up 1 point and 16 ticks at 161.22. King dollar's down 2,000 ticks, taking out its June 18th low. We are at 92.92. You get the euro up 280 at 111, and you got the yen down 4 at 117.97. Now, if we go over to the S&Ps, I've been talking about this October 2014 level for quite a while. Bottom line is that, unfortunately, for folks that are long the market, it hits it in 3 days. The low that we've been talking about, folks, is a high-volume low. It's the lows of October of 2014. The low of that number is 1820 in the cash S&P. The high of that for the month was 1912. We've taken it apart. We've hit a low out here of 1867 today. I expect you're going to get to the very bottom of that. Why? Because if we take a look at the Dow Industrials, as larger equities had come into that prior to this, some of them had taken it out with volume, others had not. Bottom line, Dow Industrials is ripping it apart with volume. The low of that structure is 15,855. Right now, you're at 15,883. We've hit 15,370. We take a look at the NASDAQ composite. What do you have with the composite? The composite out here has traded. It's down 197 right now. You're at 4507. If we take a look at this and we put this back in the same type of structure, what you have out here is that the top of that structure is 4303. We've hit 4292. Right now, you're at 4505. Bottom line, folks, is that what you're going to have is this. You've come down into the structure. You've come down with monster volume, and that is saying this is not even close to being over. I know it's nasty beyond belief. You actually had the Qs open down 17. Right now, they're only down 4, which is quite impressive, no doubt. But what we are going to have out here is that you're going to have a high-volume low that is just going to put some nasty... not only trading, if you're a trader, it's a paradise out here. Why? Because you can go long and go short. What you just need is fast fingers. If we take a look at the gold contract, bottom line, gold has proven its worth. They can't knock it down. Gold wants higher price. We've done 170,000 contracts. You're up $4. We're at 1163. Gold's going to be making this run to 1223. Bonds, bottom line, the ever-ready bond market. Bond wants higher price, lower yield. The high in bonds is 129.21. We've already gone into that, and we've gone into that. Oh, it's going to blow it away with volume. What that sets up is that I can make a case that this bond market, the 10-year, is going to go to 135, and at 135, thus far, we're already at 1.9. That'll bring it down to about 1.7. King dollar. Bottom line, King dollar is a race to the bottom. King dollar's done 91,000 contracts, blown out the bottom out here. The King dollar level, we get 101. You're talking about King dollar going down to about 85. Bottom line, you can expect more volatility, higher volatility. We've had a trading range from the Dow down 1,000. We're only down 495 right now. End of the day, you're going to have much lower prices. You're going to have heavier volume, and that's going to be straight across the board, because what you are going to see as we start coming into the 1 to 2 o'clock time frame is even more volatility. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, call 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.